Hey everyone, Golden Ninja 3000 here again. Oftentimes we don't really get to see the development process for LEGO sets, but for the brand new Ninjago Hydro Bounty set coming out this summer, the designer has actually shared some of that process on his Twitter. This is the completed set. I talked about it in my Ninjago summer reveal video, but he's shared developmental models that he worked on while building from home during the pandemic, which I think is really interesting. So here is his first development model, and you can see, I guess it was always meant to be white. That's a really interesting choice to me because I definitely expected this to be red, because like we've never gotten like a white ninja vehicle that wasn't just for Zane before. This is an older sketch model, including like the front face, which comes off and transforms into a mech. That is something that's been retained on the final model. And then also, he's shared experimentation with kind of like the covering for the body of the ship because it does hold two of like those mini ninja submarines. The ultimate solution was to use the new like kind of curved panel piece from the NASA Space Shuttle Discovery, but I think it's awesome seeing like what other things they experimented with. I really do not like this model. I think that the flame yellowish orange does not look good at all with the white and the blue, so I'm really glad that they didn't choose that as an accent color. But it's just really interesting to see how these things changed, like how like they tried designing like the doors for the Hydro Bounty and stuff like that. Here's some concept of the mini Mac. So I'm going to link to this in the description, but this is just so cool to me because we really never get to see this side of the LEGO development process, and especially for a set like this, which is so different from something that we've seen before, because like we've never seen a submarine in Ninjago really. So I think that this is like really awesome that the designer shared all of this information so soon after the set reveal too. But that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with more videos soon. Bye for now.